So, Baman Irani, good friend, nice human being, and fantastic actor. I have been working with him for last 9 years. Can you believe? We have been touring, we have been traveling everywhere. We, we share a same room, and this way we have come closer and closer. Baman is doing lot many Hindi commercial films. He has become a very famous actor all over the world. One can say all over India, everywhere he's welcome. And I'm very proud of him. We have been doing theatre I've been doing theatre for last 30 years. But this is the play which I'm doing at present for last 9 years. And it's a very nice play. When he came for the rehearsal for the first time, I thought how he is going to play 75-year-old man. But one should see, and I am not Bajirao, and you will not be able to recognize him on the streets. That way he has put everything. He always puts 100%. It's again, I must say, it's nice to work with him. It's nice to share jokes with him. And that's all.
Thanks a lot.
Yes.
I first saw Baman in this play called Roshni, and I remember watching him and looking at this performer and saying, wow, who is this guy? Because he was so absolutely fantastic. And soon after that, I had the good fortune of being a producer of I'm Not Bajirao, which is a play which Baman has been working in. And then I acted with him on stage in a play called 6 Degrees of Separation, where he played my husband. I think Baman, as a co-actor, I would say that I really envy a performer like Baman because his gift is really a God's gift. He's an extremely natural performer, an extremely easy performer. It's almost like he's not trying, and yet he's delivering masterpieces with every play that he does. And he has absolutely great spirit, especially in the theatre. He's always fooling around, always joking around, keeps the team together, and when we go out of town, we have a blast because he's like morning to night entertainment. And we've shared some really wonderful times, especially off the stage with him. And the wonderful thing with Baman is that he's now this huge mega movie star, and for us he's still Baman. He's the same guy who comes backstage and treats us pretty much. He hasn't changed a bit, is basically what I'm trying to say. And hopefully he keeps carrying on doing theatre, because I think theatre is one of those art forms which keep you rooted, which keep you, make you realize how you're just an actor. It's not the end of the world. All you can do is act, like any other profession.